Manila moves fast and it never stops all right. So you land in Manila, and within 5 minutes, you realize this place doesn't ease you in. It hits you. Jeepneys flying by, horns everywhere, people crossing streets like there are no rules, and somehow it all works. You've got street vendors cooking right on the sidewalk, skewers, rice, fried everything, smoke in the air, music playing from somewhere you can't even find. And everyone's moving with purpose, not rushing, but hustling. Then you step into Divisoria, and this is where it really hits different. This isn't a market, this is survival, business, and culture all packed into tight streets. Clothes, electronics, toys, food, everything stacked on top of each other. Vendors calling you over, negotiating prices on the spot, no fixed systems, just real-time deals. And what's crazy is this is where a lot of people build their entire livelihood. Buy low here, resell, somewhere else, feed a family, simple model. Real stakes, day-to-day life, the hustle is constant. Nobody's waiting for opportunity here. They create it. You'll see. A guy fixing phones on a plastic table, a woman selling snacks out of a basket, kids helping parents run stalls after school, drivers working 12 plus hours just to make the day worth it. And it's not complaining energy, it's resilient energy. People laughing, talking, eating together right there in the middle of the chaos, because this isn't just work. This is life. The real takeaway, Manila isn't polished. It's not trying to impress you, but it's real. It shows you what daily grind actually looks like when there's no safety net, just effort, community, and consistency. And if you pay attention, you walk away respecting it a lot. Because in places like this, every sale matters. It's not trying to impress you, but it's real. It shows you what daily grind actually looks like when there's no safety net, just effort, community, and consistency. And if you pay attention, you walk away respecting it. And nobody's sitting still waiting for something to happen. They're out there making it happen.